Here we go. What?
This is the National Weather Service office in Honolulu, Hawaii. The preceding signal was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's turbulent warning system. This is only a test. Tests of the signal are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there's any threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed to the next available fair weather day. For hazardous watches and warnings, the warning alarm tone will be activated for the following countries, counties. And the KBA99 listening area. Kauai, Honolulu, Maui, and Hawaii counties. In the WZ2557 listening area, Kauai County. In the WWG75 listening area, Maui and Hawaii County. In the WWG27 listening area, Hawaii County. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to our recorded programming. Here's the forecast.